top of the stairways until docking at your destination is complete. Handrails on this vessel are for your protection, so please do not sit on the handrails. Inflatable life rafts are located on the top deck of this vessel, and if any emergency exists, the crew will launch the life rafts and assist you in evacuation. In the event of any emergency, we ask that you do not panic. Sufficient life jackets and life rafts are available for everyone. Packages and baggage must be attended at all times. If you find or see any unattended baggage or parcels, please bring it to the attention of one of the crew members. Enjoy your trip and have a wonderful day.
You like it? Huh? Is it a good experience?
I wish we would live inside the water.
I want to go sit down.